Recording the sewer today here at 252 Northeast 43rd. Date's July 29, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out here in the crawl space of the home. What we're looking at is a section of sewer where the bottom has deteriorated to the point where there's no more concrete pipe there. And then you push your camera, or when I push my camera in, excuse me, I can't get past this bell because there's a large hole in the bottom of the pipe. It's turning right there. It's right near the sidewalk, about 2 feet deep. It's turning to go run kind of parallel with the sidewalk. So I've zeroed out my footage from this point. We're going to come back into 4-inch diameter concrete sewer line. Pretty well worn aggregate along the bottom. That looks to be a connection at the top of the pipe there. Could be accommodating a downspout or something else. Let me pause there to locate, and I'll be right back. Alright, continuing the recording, we've located that downspout connection about 9 feet deep on the side front southwest corner of the home. So we're coming back further now through this old concrete pipe and back into PVC there. So 28 feet or so of that original concrete pipe with one connection, and then back into this SDR 35 PVC. Back into cast iron there, up out of our cleanout that we can see there. End the video there.